Hello and welcome once again to yet another episode at Smart Move to UK, where we thrive to give you the latest information, case studies, updates and much more on UK immigration and nationality laws. In today's video, we're going to speak about, can you apply for a spouse visa without a marriage certificate? Is that possible? Check this video to know about it. So in a very interesting conversation from a prospective client, where recently I came across a question which says, can I make an application for a spouse visa without a marriage certificate? This is interesting because there can be a situation where a client may not have a marriage certificate or an applicant may not have a marriage certificate. And this may be because they've been married a long time ago, or when they were married, they didn't realize that they would need a marriage certificate. So there's a ceremonial wedding which may have happened, but there's no registered marriage that has taken place. Sometimes it's just paucity of time that, the sponsor and the applicants are in different countries. They're getting married in their home country. They take a brief holiday from their work. They come and they quickly get married. And then there is not sufficient time available to get the marriage registered, and hence they may not have a marriage certificate. Now, the legal answer under the UK immigration and nationality laws for such application is that you cannot, I repeat, you cannot apply for a spouse visa without a marriage certificate. A marriage certificate is the most important document in the application for a spouse visa. However, if you would look for an alternative, you may consider unmarried partner visa category to make an application. And if you qualify for the requirement for unmarried partner under the UK visas, then you can live and work in the UK. So the important aspect to do an unmarried partner visa application is that you are in a relationship akin to marriage. However, another important aspect to qualify for unmarried partner is to prove a cohabitation together for at least 2 years. So if you're able to document a cohabitation together of the applicant and sponsor in a relationship akin to marriage, then this is the way you will be able to make a valid application. To prove cohabitation together, the most important document and that helps the application quite a lot is the tenancy agreement. If you have a tenancy agreement which confirms the names of applicant and sponsors been residing at that place together for at least 2 years, then that will help your application to qualify under this category. It's not just one document. You will need to substantiate the case with other supporting documents and your narrative to say you've been living together by providing them utility bills received at the same address or correspondences received at the same address. Perhaps also a witness statement can also help to confirm that the applicant and sponsors cohabited together at the same address. When you are able to prove all of these documents together, then one aspect of the application, which is meeting the requirements which says that you've been cohabiting together, gets qualified. It is important to note that this is only one aspect of the unmarried partner application. You still have to meet the other requirements, which is the financial requirements, the English language proficiency, giving your TB test reports, proving accommodation requirements been met in, etc. So you still have to qualify under all of those requirements to make a valid application. In conclusion, while marriage certificate is typically required for spouse visas in the UK, the unmarried partner visa offers an alternative pathway for couples who lack this document, but can provide substantial evidence of their cohabitation and commitment. Remember that immigration laws can change, so always refer to the latest information from the social sources. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you've liked the content of this video, please subscribe to our channel, and as always, please leave your thoughts on the comment box given below. This is Falguni Parekh signing off till we see the next time. Bye bye.